guys, I'm back from my trip and I had an amazing time shopping. I went to Malaysia to this place called Johor Bahru, and there is the premium outlet mall that's there, and you get all your luxury brands at amazing deals. Amazing deals means they're like crazy. And Singapore too, there's a lot of outlet malls that have opened up there, so I got some fabulous deals there as well. So I'm going to take you through all the luxury brand shopping and the high street shopping that I have done in this video. This is the bag that I picked up from Coach, and as you can see, it's a pretty red bag with neon pink lining inside. Now the price of this bag was 570 Sing dollars, and it was on a flat 50 off, so that makes it about $285. And then the better part is that they had a deal going on that if you shop for 2 items, you'd get further 20%, and shop for 3 items, you get further 30% off. So I, along with my other friends, landed up shopping for lots more. So we got a further 30% off. So I got this bag at 200 Sing dollars, which at the rate of 50 rupees is 10,000 rupees. Can you beat that? A leather bag from Coach for just 10,000 bucks. Isn't that amazing? So my next buy was at the premium outlet mall at Johor Bahru. I bought this DKNY bag at 60% off, and I got it for 300 ringgit. Now ringgits are at 17 or 18 rupees, so about 5,500, which is amazing because where do you get DKNY so cheap? So my next buy was from Michael Kors, and you can't believe how good deals I got over there. I bought these amazing pair of leather studded loafers for about 240 ringgit. The original price was 800 ringgit, and I got it at about 70% off. So it was about 4,000 rupees, and I bought these pair of cute flip-flop from Michael Kors. You will not believe the price, 50 ringgit only, which is about 850, 900 bucks. Amazing, isn't it? So these were my luxury buys, and now I'm going to take you on to my high street brands. Charles & Keith is a Singaporean brand, as most of you must be knowing, and you have an outlet store as well, so that makes the prices even cheaper. The deals that I got are fabulous. Fabulous is not the word. Look at these high tops. Can you guess the price? I don't think you can if I tell you what it is. 30 Singapore dollars, which is just 1,500 rupees. The original price was about $70, which is not something that you will get in India. The next are these cute flats that I picked up for $20, like 1,000 bucks. It's very comfortable. You can just wear it through the day. And last but not the least are these orange mustard heels, which again were for $30, and they were flat 50% off, so $60 to $30. Amazing. Last are these sunglasses that I picked up, white rim glasses, $25, so again about 1,250 rupees. So if you guys are going to Singapore, these are the places you must shop, or even Johor Bahru. It's just amazing. There's Victoria's Secret, there's Prada, there's Salvatore Ferragamo, there's Burberry, there's everything that you can find at discounted rates. So I'm sure after seeing this video, most of you all are going to book your tickets and are going to go off. But in the meanwhile, do share this video with your friends. If you like it, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and all my social media platforms.